Yeah,
And
I went live
oh,
now. And I realized I mute while I said I'm gonna mute. Okay, I'm
Right.
live now. I'm gonna put the music on and put the stream on, and then I will go make the tea.
Hmm.
we live with German Lugats, bro.
Yeah.
And then you put the Belgium flag.
Yeah, I know. This is piss everyone off.
Yeah, but it was a successful mission. He will make textures.
Oh,
He
great.
just said he wants to make the ground, bro. This is insane.
Damn, bro, he's grounded.
Wait, where's the sound effect? No.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Oh, damn.
Ah, yes. Guys, all I'm saying is that Deep Wiki is the only good use of AI ever made.
Valid. Valid. Wait, a friend of mine has posted a new edit. Gotta watch this. By the way, what is that start in a live stream? Lucas goes live and then he leaves for 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's how I do.
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Mango, you want to speak? Okay. And mildly depressed. Yeah, I mean, who isn't? Who isn't? It is 2025. I do not speak, Lord. That's interesting.
Oh,
Because I think I've heard you speak. But okay. To
yeah.
each their own.
Are you French?
Him? No, he's English. Well, British. Yeah.
I'm
thing.
back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah.
Swear to God, somebody keeps drinking up my tea. I'm like, I'm running low on tea again.
Hello, back.
I think it's the flies.
It has to be.
Or it could be the lice.
The lights?
The lice, which are part of the lice in your hair.
Delightful, I think what you're trying to say.
Delightful.
Okay, Lucas, you need to clone my project now, or pull it.
yeah.
Pull it.
That's actually...
I swear you're gonna see. I don't know what you will see. But why is your LSP broken? Your coloring, what is that?
Wait, I have to load. We're gonna quickly do a...
Too loud, what?
Oh no, he's starting to speak. Oh, Mr.
I don't think I would.
Oh my god.
Lucas, what is this thing you even found here? Like, what is this? What are you trying to say with this?
Is it true that Ziggy is becoming closer to Rust? If that's the case, I think I will just have to go back to C. I'm just saying.
Well, if you know what, if Zig is becoming closer to Rust, then I'm going back to C, man.
I'm out of this shit, you know?
Yeah, but you know, we'll just have to... Actually, yeah, I do think that Zig is actually becoming Rust, because, hear me out, they added the most useless piece of shit structure ever, and I want everyone to know about it, and I want everyone to know that I do not approve of this. So they added, like, a duration structure, which only contains one field, which is nanoseconds, right? And the only place this is used is in a sleep function. Why do you not just give a number there? Why do I have to do like dot from seconds? Why can't I just do SD time ns per s times how many seconds? That's so much more logical and readable, and we don't need declarations for everything. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think they're just rage baiting at this point. And they're also moving everything into std.io, so I don't know, man.
If that's the case, we're going to see.
Yeah, bro. You know, I've actually become... I actually like C more nowadays because of how I've seen how you can write good C nowadays, so...
Yeah, you saw
it's
my
all
C
right.
yesterday,
It's not good.
so you was like, okay.
No, no, that made it worse. No. I saw the chef's C.
Is it this one that we're talking about?
Yeah, this one.
Yes.
Why cannot... Where's you there?
Git Python,
Git Python. Alright. Make run?
Yeah.
Oh, it's on the wrong screen. Great.
Yeah, it's always on the wrong screen.
Multiplayer.
Okay, and enable... Yeah, no, you need to click on the button. Toggle multiplayer.
What the fuck is that? Why did I shoot that? What is... What?
No, no A! This is... it doesn't matter. Click on toggle multiplayer. On the button.
Multiplayer.
There's a button.
What button?
Yeah.
The multiplayer button. You know what it is?
No.
Yeah, you see, you gotta change it. That's what this toggle button thing, you need to add it under the off, because I did the exact same thing.
Okay, I will do that. Okay.
Yo,
yeah.
Who is this
and
player?
then on the second thing...
Is your mom.
Right now he's press D, so there's no hitboxes anymore for not debug mode.
Okay.
Yeah, and then the second microphone, like the second drop-down menu, where there's default, change it to the word thing, so the Discord. No, the other one.
Okay,
It doesn't matter, but yeah.
Wait, where's that one?
Yeah,
right?
the voice engine, yeah.
Yo, how
yeah,
do I change direction I want to move in?
Ah, pitch.
If you speak like really high, you go
Okay.
left, and if you speak
No.
really not high, you go right.
No, it doesn't
Yeah,
make
which means
sense.
I can't go
Oh.
left because
I
I'm so
can't.
Sigma.
Wait.
Ah,
No, high.
What do
ah,
you mean high? I did high.
Like
no. Sorry, what will Sigma?
No, I guess we're just moving left.
Ah. Ah.
I'm not doing a high
boys,
pitch.
where all your mics are
Wait,
broken.
guys,
For me, it
let
works
me
perfectly.
cook. Let me cook. Wait, I'm gonna cook. Yeah, see, I'm cooking.
Bro, this
You're actually going up.
it's kind of hard to navigate, to be honest.
Oh, you say?
Yeah, I don't. Can you even jump? that high?
Lucas.
Ah, the
No,
louder it
I
is.
think you actually can't, by the way, but I just changed it in the last push, so I need to fix it.
Okay.
Oh,
That's
before you
crazy.
could jump.
Yeah. But what do you say about the rope physics?
The rope is hot as fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually not a rope, it's actually calm.
Wait, what the fuck?
That's
That's a
why it's
bit
connected
sus,
there.
bro.
That's why it's white, so what can I say?
Alright,
Yeah, it still has a little bit
Yeah.
of improvements to go.
Nah.
you should make this
It's perfect like this.
multiplayer. You should have this on-off button to be the actual.
Yeah, I
part.
know. I did the exact same thing, but I thought I was maybe stupid, and then Lucas did the exact same thing, and yeah, now if both of we are that stupid, I don't think that's a good thing then.
But then I need to make a custom button, and that's
Just make a
not
button
cool.
below it. That's, you know.
Custom?
Yeah, but the thing is, it will automatically get rendered with my library, like, that I'm using for that. So then I need to make my own button. Like, it isn't much work, but yeah, I will do that though. But
Yeah,
yeah.
do that. All right. That's great. We're going back to this thing now.
Yeah, I get back to work.
Why did you change the color to green for the variables or what that is?
I didn't change the
Yeah,
color.
what?
I will not be suppressed by
What's
the
with you?
elite. I can use the chat in Discord.
Mr. Mago?
Yeah.
I mean, if he wants to speak, he can speak. Like, it's... I've heard him speak before. I mean...
I mean, do you trust him? Then I trust him.
Yeah, I mean, he's British. What can he do?
Okay, well.
Like, he can't say anything bad because the police will take him as soon as anything
then
happens.
it's fine, I guess.
Yeah, okay.
So Lucas, what is the plan for today?
Today is the plan to actually get. I think we're supposed to be able to get textures, or we won't probably get it, but we'll have it complete the implementation, and then we'll work on the actually trying to get it to work. That's the.
Yeah, also Mago, to speak, you have to leave and then rejoin the VC,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, I will eat now, I think. Yeah, I will be back later.
Okie.
Eat? What,
Okay.
a man of your talents?
What?
Well, anyways, where's Damon?
Damn.
Yeah, I don't know. I haven't seen him today.
I
Yeah,
haven't
How can
seen
I
him
think
since-
he's actually asleep?
Nah, that can't be.
Yeah, it's asleep for the winter, I think.
What is it called? Hibernation?
Yeah.
Hibernation? What is it called? I don't know.
Hibernation. Yeah.
Okay. But
Yes,
be
hibernating.
right back. Like in
Yes,
half an hour
that's
or
good.
so.
Yeah, Damon is actually hibernating right now. So.
Hey, shut up.
Yeah, I know the Herbinator that uses tupples.
Oh my god. Anyways.
Yeah, what?
we're
Don't you like Herbination? I love to Herbinate.
Fuck you.
My favorite thing to do in the winter is Herbinate with my tupples.
But what is it called, bro? Help
I
me
love
out.
tupples with Herbination.
Just tell me what the fuck it is. Stop bullying.
I love tupples. Yes, I think these functions should return a tuple of Herbinations.
What is it called?
Or possibly, or it could be a herbination with tuples. Yes, I think that's smarter.
I think Harold is a
What
bully.
is it actually called? Is it called a bully? Yeah, you noticed now? Damn.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, it's called a tuple. You know, not a tuple.
Bro.
And hibernation is the correct
Hibernation, yeah,
word. Yes, but we prefer herbination around these parts, you know. So we'll just stick to herbination.
Tuppel, what was it I said? I don't even know which one is correct.
Tuppel. Tuppen. Tuppen. Tupia.
Yes. Yo, what's up, Pig? Pig is in the chat
Yeah, you know,
with
like the
STD
wig.
Vector.
Oh, yeah, maybe he should say hi to Lubas also.
Hi to Lubas. Okay, wait, this
Lubas
is in
the
the init mesh
Herbinator,
pipeline, so this
Tuppel.
is still like initializing the... So it takes the triangle fragment shader. This is from before. Uh-huh. And create pipeline layout info. And they pass in the mesh pipeline. Okay, so this is just creating for the mesh pipeline, so I just need to redo that one. I think it was the last one. Config graphics, config mesh here. This one is the one I'm...
I like that we have the low level dealer.
The what?
Sorry. I like that we have the low level dealer from HoboBot.
Damon is working on it, actually, trying to integrate it. I think
Yeah.
he will make a good fine addition to the server. I found a partition of Fedora on my desktop disk from back in 2017. Damn. But yeah, I think we will have
We
the...
almost have like 1 trillion gigs. If you didn't notice.
Damn. Oh. Right, we're using mesh vertex. Wait, what are we using here? We're using a fragment shader. I'm just gonna use this. I will forget about the rest of these things. It's fine.
Yeah, you'll forget.
So we'll have a const. What will we call this shader? Shader module triangle. Shader. Okay, I will just take the...
1 second.
I will call it trig. Frag. And it will be a vk dot... hold on. Yeah, vkc shader. Bruh. vk. I should probably make a like a... but what's the point of having a shader kind of class? That's not a class. What am I, bro? I've been reading too much C++ today. I'm telling you, bro. I have been reading actually about STL and the containers inside of C++ today.
Hi.
Hello, hello. Load shader.
No more of a surprise that I finally come back.
Oh, hello, it's Leon.
Yes, it's me. Don't you recognize me?
Bro, you cannot... Yeah, I recognize, but when you just say hi, that could be anyone. But when you said 2 words after each other, then I recognized. That was wait a minute. It has been.
Okay.
Where have you been?
Yes. What was it before the 3 skills or? Yeah, I think I didn't came back here after the 3 skills.
Yeah,
Maybe.
It has been a very, very, very long time.
So yeah, I've been to the 3 skills and I'm not the best of Switzerland. I'm only the 7th best electronician.
Wait, what have you been?
7th best electronic engineering student in Switzerland.
Only 7th? Bro. How is this possible?
Yeah.
What? Did the others cheat or something?
Yeah, I mean most of the other, like the 2 best on the class, on the leaderboard, and like the 4th, and I'm not sure for the other.
Mhm.
already did one time, and all the other were in school with people that already did it, so they had the insight. Plus, they were Swiss German that trained better.
Mm. Yeah.
Because, like, from my school, my director said that for the 20 last year, where I was a director, I was the first from the school to get to the final.
Ah. Well, that's nice.
There's, yeah, most of the time there's just Swiss Germans.
Okay. Push
So
console.
yeah, most of the time they were talking Swiss German and I didn't understand anything. Like I mean, outside of the competition. In the competition, they were fair. They spoke English. But yeah, and I also started my new school.
Okay.
It's going pretty well. Except I received my first grade in math, and I was really disappointed because it was like 4.4 out of 6, where when I usually get 6 out of 6 in math. So yeah. But yeah, else it's going good.
Okay. Good. Good. Good.
And you, how is it going?
It's going
What is the
great.
new project?
It's actually, well, you can't really see much. I'm actually trying to make this one so I could reuse it for whatever I'm gonna create next, because I'm thinking like this will actually now be something that I will continue to just develop for like 5 years or something like that. So I'm just,
Oh,
yeah, I'm actually trying to make it so I can. The problem is though that Sig will probably change a lot during that time, so we'll see how that goes. But I might even switch to C depending. We just read one negative, like, or one negative, one change in Sig that we don't kind of like. But if I still think like the skills from Sig is quite easily transferable back to C if I ever want to. Uh, it's
mm,
like still just the same memory management. The only thing that is kind of like one of the biggest benefits I love with Sig is just the explicitness, but I also like kind of C being able to just do whatever you want, however you want. That's what I dislike about Sig, that cannot do that. But it has a lot more type safety and these kind of things, so it's really nice.
oh yeah, that's quite cool.
Well, we'll see how things goes. Like, I don't have a problem switching to C, but I think Sig is still like has great potential, so I want to continue using Sig for that reason. But if this ain't gonna work out, then I will just switch to C. Let's see. Now we're working on the pipeline layout for the textures, and it's this thing basically. Graphics description. Yeah,
Okay,
right. I
nice.
have completely changed what this means now.
I'm still working on the same project, but one of the teachers at my school really liked it. Or like
Yeah.
technically he isn't my teacher because he doesn't give lesson, but last year he was one of the two teachers that helped me solder the previous version when
Yeah.
I was still at my previous school because it had really small components. And now he did so much that he managed to get school funding for it.
Nice.
So it's pretty cool. Because like his argument was, it's not a project that's really expensive. It's expensive for me, but for the school it's like pocket change.
Mm. Okay.
So yeah, that's pretty cool.
That sounds pretty cool. Let's see. I'm gonna try to. Yeah, we'll just do this, and then I will do. I mean, all of these
I'm
things
back.
should.
See that we got Leon here.
Yeah, we got
Hey,
he's back. We can actually take
Hello.
this back now as well.
hey,
This should be
Harold.
fine. And then we can also take this back. And these things can also be taken back. They will have to change to be descriptor scene data config. No, this should be the same. Like so. And then this should all be fine. This, I will still keep it here because I think I will have to take a few of these over into here, but for now that's fine. We'll see. We have to probably do a lot of changes, but that's the point of this whole thing. So then in the draw geometry function, we're gonna bind mesh pipeline. I just use indices and then get current frame allocate. Oh my god. Jesus. It's not gonna run on the first run, but you know, because of these reasons, but So here we bind the descriptor set, the bind point graphics, yes, and then the pipeline, it's gonna be 3, the handle, yes. Then the script, here comes this thing. This is the thing that we have to now work on with the writer. Get current frame allocate, so we get that thing, and then we get the writer. Yeah. We do this, that makes sense. And then writer update set. This is gonna be all of these things. We pass the draw image, is it? Writer image. Okay, yeah, that's why it looks weird. The allocator. Why did I pass the image? The allocator to... Oh yeah, because I have renamed. Wait, let me see. Yeah, I have append image and append. It's not gonna be needing. This is from the old days when I used to do the allocator, but we don't do the allocator anymore. So it's slightly different. It's fine. Append image, and you pass the binding 0. Then the image here, which apparently seems to be the error checkerboard image view. Is it actually just that? Let's see. Yeah, it's that image view. Then the sampler, which is default nearest. Okay, this is still something I will have to figure out. Like what the fuck, but it's okay. Oh my god. Okay, well, I don't need to keep this open. Self dot. Then the layout. pk dot c dot pk.
When you would like the word layout, I immediately thought PCB. Why is Lucas doing electronics? He was doing code just now.
I'm actually doing right
Because
now
it's so
electronics
bad?
and circuits in university, to be honest.
Oh,
Yeah.
so tell me more about it. I want to know.
Oh, bro, I suck so much at it. That's.
I can teach you.
Really? That would be awesome. I'm so bad.
I mean, yeah. I mean, if you want, I'm totally teaching you. You will have the best. I was for like this year the best electronician so like electronic engineering student in the canton of Geneva.
Oh my god. Yeah, no, okay, wait.
So you have a pro teacher.
Damn. Alright. I guess I can ask once I get the next assignment. Oh my god, that's crazy.
What? No, you're thinking about this wrong, Lucas. Just make him do your homework.
Ah.
You could, but maybe you will have to pay me. Okay, yeah, if you have some homework to do, send them to me. Maybe I will do them for fun.
You can
Actually.
receive like -$4, I think.
Actually, give me your homework because like I'm so bored. Because at my new school, for the first year, it's like in common with the people that do just programming. So we do the bare minimum in electronics. I'm super bored for that. So send me your homeworks and your exam and your things. I will do them for you.
Do I want to
Yeah,
learn
you
and
hear it?
understand
You
it,
hear
to
it?
be honest, but
No,
bro,
you don't.
Okay.
bro,
Okay, I will teach you.
nice.
Tell me when you want me.
Yeah, I will. I
Call
will.
me. Only for 99 Swiss francs a minute.
Special
Only.
price only for
Yeah,
you,
only
my
for
friend.
99.
Only for you. Else it's like 10,000 Swiss francs per minute.
For real, for real. Oh my
Damn, bro,
god.
you're a bit poor. Lucas going
This I don't
bankrupt.
like, because if this is gonna happen every single loop, well, I guess we still clear it, bro. This could have. Okay, wait. But I guess that's why I do this right now, because I want to figure out what do they actually do with all of this information, because then I can just remove the things that I don't find sufficient. Single image descriptor.
But like, what are you learning now in electronics?
We are currently just learning with constant. Let me just write this. Currently we're just learning how. What am I doing wrong? Okay, we are learning about. What is it called? I don't even remember. Last time we went just through what was it? Capacitors and conductors. Yeah, those two is what
Oh
we
yeah,
just.
capacitors.
Yeah.
And now maybe it's inductors, I guess.
Yeah.
Is it that?
That we have also done.
Okay. That I can improve it, but maybe just not with the notion of derivative and integral associated with it.
Damn.
Because I've still not done derivative and integral in school.
Damn. No, then
Because like, didn't you learn? Yeah.
Thévenin's theorem also. We have also done that.
Oh, Thévenin.
Thévenin, yes.
Okay.
That's I still like we got the what is the bridge problem, like a common circuit problem we had to solve.
The bridge problem, yeah, it's like, with the
Oh yeah,
electricity going into the
the
inductors and then going through the
like
transistors.
is it the Wheatstone Bridge or something?
Yeah, that thing. Which then? What was it called?
Redstone
see.
bridge? What?
It's like you have a voltage divider, which is
Mm.
basically two resistors that make the voltage smaller, and you put that on two sides on the middle of the of the of the of the voltage divider. You have a voltage difference, and that's the bridge. And basically, the idea is one side you put just resistor, on the other side you put one resistor and one sensor. And so, if you calculate it well, the voltage difference will represent your sensor output well, basically.
Yeah. Where is the trying to find a damn deconstructor for this thing.
Deconstructor? What did bro you say?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it is C++.
Yeah, I'm C++.
Okay.
Because
I
this
thought you
also
were
makes
saying
sense.
Also,
If they
also Lucas.
oh wait, it's C++.
Lucas.
This thing automatically frees everything. I'm so stupid. Ah, my brain. I cannot. It's
Yes.
oof, okay. I will have to do it slightly differently.
Oh. Also, Lucas, I have another question. Did you already learn about diode, transistor, and all this semiconductor stuff?
No, those we are still to learn.
Okay, right. Diodes are like
Oh wait.
less complicated than capacitors, but it's a bit different because you can't put really a resistance on them. It's just a voltage drop. But with
Lucas's brain is getting overloaded.
Yeah,
yeah,
I'm
I
trying.
think I will
Mm.
stop. But yeah,
Some could say
transistor.
short.
If if you learn about BGTs, they're a bit of a pain to like compute in amplification mode. But if you just like we did at my new school, just learn a bit about MOSFET, they are a lot simpler. Because BGT you have a like current input that gets amplified, and MOSFET is just the voltage. The current that passes through it is proportional to the voltage you apply on one pin. So it's simpler. But yeah.
Yeah.
And with
Wait.
MOSFET you can do logic gates and then you can do a computer.
Wait.
If you're smart.
VK bind descriptor set mesh pipeline layout. Image set. Oh yeah, because the image set has the okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah, we can do that. And it works quite nice with this whole section over here. Yeah, okay. Fine. Bruh. Set, and then the command. I should probably just call it command, I don't have to call it all that, but it's okay. Oh my god. Let's see, then we have C pipeline bind graphics and the mesh pipeline. That's just the, you have to do it like this. I don't call it the mesh pipeline. Sorry, what? Oh. Handle. Zero, one, and then we have to pass ampersand. Where's the ampersand? Image set.
Ampersand.
Don't have to pass anything else? Is that actually? Yeah, because it's already, I have already gotten it. It's the damn allocate, which I don't like there. I'm probably gonna have so many memory problems right now because of this, because I have tried to avoid doing dynamic allocations, and now they're trying to introduce them quite hard. So, but we'll, we will just
Because
have,
it's C++, and
yeah.
they love their heap allocations even when it's not necessary. The
Mhm.
new keyword and delete. It's so it's so scuffed that they're on heap, bruh. It's just because C++ they can't manage memory.
Let's see. Then here we have the. Let's see. Push constant world matrix is equal to projection multiplied by view. Yeah, that's the same. And then mesh vertex buffer test item 0 vertex buffer address. I'm just gonna use this one, even though they have a different, but that's the same thing. And then command constant. Is there anything different that has to happen here? No, you just push that there and then test bind indices. This is all the same. And in theory, we allocated a new descriptor set from the frame descriptor set allocator using the single image descriptor layout that uses. Then we use the descriptor writer to write a single image descriptor on binding 0, which will be the error checker board image. We get it nearest sampler so that it doesn't blend between pixels. Then we update the descriptor set with the writer and bind set. Then we produce the with the draw. The result should be that the monkey head now has a magenta pattern. It probably won't because heh, I don't take in the UV stuff, but that's okay. I don't know. Wait, how will it even work then if you don't take in the UVs? I don't know. We have a few things that we need to take care of.
Magic.
Magic? I hate that word. I hate it so much, bro. For anything that has to do with I need to add a writer here. What is this writer for? Why do I need to try to remove VMA get info? Alright, pig needs to go. See ya, pig. Okay, this is probably not gonna work at all, but we're still gonna run the damn thing. Yo, what's up, Damon?
Wakey, wakey.
Yes, wakey, wakey, indeed. Ugh.
What? What is happening? What
Yes.
is happening?
Actually, this is something I would just want to run all the time because this is gonna be a lot of going back and forth now between
Oh.
trying to get it to work and trying
Also, Lucas, Lucas, have
Yeah.
you watched?
Welcome.
Have you finally watched Evangelion?
No, I haven't. I haven't.
Are you serious?
Hmm?
Still not.
No, I haven't even watched Gotham to the end, to be honest.
Oh, okay. There was one of the guys at the Swiss Kill, one of the other competitor, that said they also still didn't watch Evangelion, but wanted to watch it. And some time ago, like a few days ago, I sent him a message, and he said he still didn't watch it too.
Damn. I need 2 of those. And that. Let's see. Yeah, it returns. Oh yeah, those are. Let's see. Straight info. I think that one is not something I want to see. Do I have the BMA info? I do have the info. I can look at it like that, and then create buffer. That should be fine. Alright, let's see. What's the next issue? Next issue is in Vulkan VMA. Wait, what? Vulkan VMA 696. Well, it seems to have been fixed. So I don't know what it's yapping about. Ah, now, here. No? Root source VMA, let's see. Ah, but I'm in the wrong, I'm in buffer. Now it's in VMA. I'm gonna get some more tea, BRB. Alright, so let's see what's wrong. File roots source vim has no member name VM allocator. Right, but it should be like a capital A. Okay, for fuck's sake. Location. Allocation. There it is. Okay, like so. And let's see what's the next one. Info. in buffer. We should be able to use VM allocation info like this instead. And then we have expected 2 arguments, found 1, sig main. Try init render. Right, because now in the init I take in the allocator. Let's see. In the Vulkan swap chain function. Let's see, swap chain sig34. Here. What is the problem? Expect to have found 1. It also takes in the allocator now. I don't pass it in. Do I actually need the allocator? What do I need the allocator for? Right. It's for this descriptor thing. It just depends this. I mean, I guess I could get rid of that. No, I cannot because this is supposed to be actually. Yeah, you're supposed to be using here. This is the one that is supposed to be a growable thing. I should not get rid of the allocator here. I'm gonna pass the allocator through this whole way. That's just how it's gonna be. That means from where we call this init, we also need to pass in the allocator. And then we're gonna take in here
Allocator.
Allocator. Whoa. Like so, and then unused, you will come in handy over here. And then I assume this one will also be a bit good. Nah, this one is fine. Okay, here's the next problem anyway. Root source file structure Vulkan has no member named scripter growable. I think I should have that. Where else am I gonna get it from? Oh, but it comes actually from the scripter. That's true. It's not from here. I have changed it a little bit. The drawable like this, that's the new one. Like so.
Guys, I am saved. Finally. I have found what I need and it's from the Kronos group, which means it's good.
Awesome.
If you say so. Now it's.
Damn it, I actually have to refer to scripter type and then ratio. That should be fine.
Alright, coffee time. I'll be back. Okay?
Sounds good.
Alright.
Inferred array length is specified with underscore. Unable to infer arrays. What the fuck? Okay, but I know that I'm supposed to do this on all of them. What the heck? Come on. And then another ratio over there. And then... like, come on. Why can't... Harold, what am I doing wrong?
Let's see.
I get the type who does not support reinitialization syntax.
Yeah, it's because this is not how you should do it.
How should I?
You should add a const after the square brackets. Yeah, and then also an ampersand before the dot of the beginning. Yeah.
Ah. Expected Vulkans were found. Are you sure about the const thingy?
Yeah, sure.
It needs the
I mean, you're
const.
not mutating it, are you?
But I need in here. Well, I guess I can change this one to take in a. Oh.
Hey, change it. If you're not mutating something, don't have it as like. Yeah.
Yeah. What the fuck is this now? Expected. Oh, it needs to try. Does it? Why do I have a try here? That shouldn't be easy. Expected type array pointer. Yeah, I don't need a try actually in this function. Also, I can remove it and I can remove the try from here as well. Append expected array list aligned Vulkan pool ratio null found const array list aligned. So can I change then this one to a const? Wait, what the fuck? How? That doesn't make sense. Wait, do I do that? No. Yo, Harold. Now because I made it to a const in here, the append also complains that it's trying to append a const array list instead of just a
Okay, so you are
array list.
mutating it. Well, then we're gonna have to do this a bit differently.
Yeah. Does append
Yeah.
mutate? I don't mutate them, I just need to store them.
Yeah. But append mutates it because it changes capacity and the actual items inside and
Okay.
yeah, remove the ampersand. Yeah, and then we want to put this type after the equals and have underscore, inside of the place. Yeah.
Ah.
Remove the dot there also.
Fuck. Expected found. Now how the fuck did I make this back to oh. Do I have to pointer cast it once again? Is that the only way I can get out of this? Oh, that seems to be fine. Just trust me, bro. What is this now? How is it back to being const? I'm not telling it to be const, but it assumes that it's const.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
No. No, it doesn't. Can I say the error?
It says array list found const.
It's in a for loop. Yeah, well that explains why. You're not mutating the for loop, so you have to put an ampersand before the pool ratios. Yeah, and then do start. And then that's good, I think. Let's see, const. Okay, what is pool ratios then? Okay, yeah, it's a solution. Do square brackets after pool ratios. Then dot. 0 dot, I mean. It's okay. Now actually remove this square bracket 0 dot. What is pool ratios?
Wait, Fuck, I removed one thing.
Right.
It's the list, an array of these ones, basically.
Hmm. Um.
Well, that's what it is.
Yeah. Okay. That's interesting. Hmm. Yeah. Huh. You're gonna have to ask GPT or go to deepwiki/siglang/sig.
Deep wiki. And then Siglang.
Yeah, and then /siglang/sig. Oh, yeah, well, I guess you can. I mean, I don't know. I'm too good for search boxes. I didn't even know it had one. I used to do it in the URL, man.
Okay. Slash
The
sig.
URL
Lang.
/siglang/sig.
Slash sig.
And siglang is one word.
Ah. Okay, how does this thing work? What do I do?
And then you can. Now
Ask
you
it.
ask it stuff.
Okay. So I can just.
Yeah, anything. Just give him this and say what you want. Just say fix this or something and then give it.
Fix this. Brother. Let's see. I'm gonna take the error message as well.
Also, please press the moon at the top right of the
Oh, that's
website.
nice. Remove the ampersand operator, or if you need pointer to retrieve element. Wait, I can still work on this thing.
I guess. Yeah, try just doing that. I don't think that will work, but you can try. Like, it doesn't really hallucinate much, so I guess. Probably was this an array or some shit. Expected type. Yeah.
No, still it's.
Can I wait? Scroll. Man, I can't. You can't read an error by looking at 2 words. Like, it's just, it takes up the line. It just, for you it just says expected array. Blah, blah, doesn't say anything.
No, it says that it
Okay,
wants
7.
this type, but it's getting a const array list.
Hmm.
Mm.
Wait. Ratios. You see the ratios?
Mm-hmm.
No, in the actual thing. Do ratios dot star dot append. Dereference it, but I don't think that should be the issue because it automatically dereferences.
This is just
Nah, that's not
this
it.
thing over here, so that one shouldn't know.
Oh, okay. Now I see the issue. Now it's because ratios is a constant. It's not variable. You see? Yeah.
Ah. No, so I still have to do. How do I?
Yeah, there's something else there.
Error. Okay.
Hmm.
Bruh. Ah.
Yeah.
Found error out of memory. What? What?
Yeah. The wait. Let's see. Vulkan descriptor. Blah blah blah. What is there anything here that is a growable?
Yeah, that's the. We shouldn't be here. This thing. Oh, this thing is the
1 second.
growable. Error out of memory. How can it find? What does it mean that it could be out of memory? There isn't anything.
I'm back.
I'm just taking this to over here. What? Where did my thing go? It just died? Okay. Oh my god, I'm pressing X when I'm supposed to press new line. Or new line, press new tab. Haha, that's funny. Do you have to initialize with the allocator even though you're appending with the allocator?
No,
Yeah, that's
because you're passing in the allocator anyways. But you can init with capacity if you want, and it's probably gonna be a little bit more efficient.
Yeah, I could. But the thing is, I don't want to do that because it's supposed to be something weird growable stuff, so I don't want to do that. I don't want to touch it. I'm just trying to follow
No, that's not how it works. Like what init capacity does, it just makes so there's a guaranteed amount of memory.
Yeah, no, I know.
When you try to append.
But the thing is that it's supposed to be handled in this logic down here. So this is just the initial state and I don't want to do anything in it. Yeah, in it.
Okay.
That's so damn, what the fuck? Okay, I'm just gonna give it. Let's see. And I'm gonna take the error, which is Vulkan descriptor node structure declared struct render no node function cannot return an error. Wait, this is.
Oh, you haven't made the function an error. The
Yeah,
init function.
because the try is here now, so that's why. Okay, yeah. I just removed it because I didn't think I would need it. Wait, what is the error message said again? Expected Vulkan growable found error. So whenever there's like an error thing, you can most likely just refer to that you need to be able to return an error. Okay. Good to know. Then I need to add a try in here.
Give a new error.
That's okay. This is probably just a try or something like that. Expected fragment found 3. Is it the allocator that is needed here? It's the allocator. And then incompatible type U32 and comp time float. Do I have to cast this to an int or something? U32.
Do you really not see the issue here?
I need this thing. I need to multiply by
To
1.
be okay, well then you should cast the max sets into a float.
And then cast it back to a U32. Sometimes I just wish I was doing in C.
Yeah, sure, buddy.
No, it's float cast actually. No, wait.
You still have to do as because you're doing an operation.
Can I just say at as F32? Expected
One thing you might like is S3 math.cast.
What does that do?
It casts. Before ask.
Do I need this?
You do int from yes you do.
Can I not just do that and it will be
No.
from it must no result. Okay, and then I have to do an as or no, now I can just do an at.
Yeah,
From
now you used to add int from from float.
Wow, that's some crazy casting right there.
Nah, man, you haven't seen shit. There's nothing.
Sometimes I just wish I was back in C. But it's okay. This also needs a try. And then this needs to be a var. And then
Lucas, I'll send you some code in Discord and I want you to look at it and see some good casting. This is some good old honest casting.
do I need to expected type array align Vulkan 32 found array. Okay, yes, I don't do that, I just do ratios. I hope it will be fine. We'll find out. It doesn't complain, we will see if memory will be corrupted if it's not fine, so. Trade pool.
Lucas, look in our private DMs.
Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. But that... that looks just like our SIG game. Do you remember when we casted like crazy?
Yeah.
This probably needs to try. Now, expected structure found error. Yeah, okay, so this is also that. But what the fuck? It needs this thing. And then all of those are gonna expected U32 found F32 ratio. It's from this thing. Okay, and then descriptor count. Why is ratio stored in an F32? No way we actually do it like that. Is it supposed to be like that? I probably have had the stroke here. Right? Well, I guess they're using C++, so there it's fine to do it like this, but where the fuck is the thing declared? There. It's actually a float. Would I ever store it as a float? I don't think I would. Right. I think I would never store it as anything else but the whole int. I'm just gonna change the U32 and see if I get any problems elsewhere. Function pushback.
Okay. So it's pretty late for me, so I think I'm gonna go.
Alright.
Yeah, that's good. See ya
See you
later.
another time.
You too. Bye bye. And we will talk
Bye.
later. Bye.
Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
This has to be an intcast. Oh my god. Alright. Pool size, no field name pool. Okay. Pool sizes like so. And then items dot ptr device. Alright, that should be the handle. Right. I'm just seeing that there's gonna be so many problems, but let's see. VMA is actually VMA again. Damn. VMA Sig. No roots. That's good. Let's see, image. Come on. Expected vector of float or float type found U32. I was expecting a vector. Takes 2 or more arguments and returns the biggest value, including the maximum. That doesn't make sense. Why would this have an issue? Or is this one expecting a vector at max? Why would it take in a vector? We do a temporary const max equals this. I'm not gonna do a U32. Expected vector or float or float type. What the fuck does log even take in? Add log returns logarithm to the base or 2 of floating point number use. Oh, it needs to be a floating. I have done a F32. That's on U32. Yes, and these ones are stored in U32, so that's why we are having issues.
If you'd be smart here, you would do something, but we'll see if you do that.
I have to do casting here.
Do you? I mean, yeah, you do have to use casting, but like, how would you do the casting? You're already wrong. Just have one float from int outside of max.
What do you mean 1? I need 2.
Really?
Height and width.
Yeah, sure. But you only need one cast.
How? Oh wait, you mean wait, can I do that? No, because
Yeah.
Max wants to use. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay.
No, it knows. Because you're only giving it U32 and you're not doing any operations with it.
Expected U30 and then this thing wants it back. Amazing. Oh my god. But this one can be casted back, so int from. But why shouldn't floor put it back to an integer?
No. Sig never casts any types for you, so you know.
This is the one
Like
of the.
what you give in is what you get out.
This is only one of the reasons, one big reason why I don't want to use Sig.
I gotten pretty used to the casting. It's not too bad. It's just pretty bad, but yeah, you know, I've learned it.
It's just pretty bad, you know, nothing more than that.
Technologica.
Technologia.
Technologica. How do you say it in Finnish?
What?
Say what?
How do you say it in Finnish?
Technology.
Technology?
Technology.
Is
Technology.
that how you say it?
Technologia.
Technologia. I can't even. What about Swedish?
Technology.
What does it even mean?
Technology.
Oh,
Fuck,
oh,
Jesus
yeah,
Christ.
yeah. That's technology.
That's a mess.
What'd you say?
Technology.
Technology.
Mhm.
Damn.
Okay,
Damn.
can Damon, can you say shinka?
Shinka.
Okay,
No,
you
it's
can.
it's pronounced skinka. Like, bro, it's so Finnish. I've never heard anything
You're
more
so
Finnish.
wrong. It's pronounced kinka.
Nah.
Hinku.
Nah. Okay, so then you have the choice. Do you want to learn real Swedish or do you want to learn Swedish from a person who's never been in Sweden?
They gotta go. It's Harold Dota Dem.
Mm. Yeah.
Harold Mama Storumpa.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Hmm. Hey, not you don't say ja. That's more German. You say ja.
Yeah.
It's like an a, not an a. It's a.
Oh.
A.
Huh.
Yeah.
Damn, my stepbrother wants to get Chinese food for lunch.
What?
Yeah, he's already placed the order, so I gotta
Oh,
drive over.
we don't have the sounds.
What? What?
Huh?
What?
What do you mean we don't have
Yeah, we don't have the
What?
sound.
What?
You know, the sound.
We do have
You know,
the sound.
dingy, something.
This piece of shit.
Oh, wrong one.
Yeah, no, we don't actually have that sound anymore. But it's like
Intern.
your phone ringing. You know, that one would be pretty good for that.
Ooh.
Allocator.
Wait, what?
My gun goes pew,
Pew, pew, pew. Alright, here, upload data to image. Now we're getting to these points where normally in C you would just take a void pointer here and it would just work, you know, but in Sig.
What? You're not taking void pointer, bro. You're taking a comp time t, you know, and that could be the thing.
But
Generic?
no, because I need to do an arbitrary mem copy on it into this thing.
Okay, so
How can I? Okay.
what is p mapped data?
P mapped data.
Mm-hmm.
This thing. That's
Yep.
just a pointer to the GPU location, so I can copy this over
Okay.
to a location so that, or
Been here.
it's not yet, but it's a pointer that Vulkan has access to, so then it can copy the information over to the GPU.
Okay, great. Just make data any type.
Can I not just do an opaque?
You can, but then you have to do a bunch of casting.
Any type? Just without point.
Yeah, without pointer, and then inside of source here, you just
Wait. I want to first do. This one just needs a try. Okay, it looks good. Yeah, inside of source. Here.
Yeah. I mean, mem copy source. You see, you have to put a reference for
This data.
Yes. Yeah, reference it. And then you do a bunch of pointer and align casts. Bro, either you do this once or you do it every single time you want to use this upload data to image.
At PTR cast and a at alignment cast.
Yep. I hope URLSP fixes this for you. Okay, it does. Yes. What is PMAP data?
Any opaque?
Do you know
Optional
the
point.
size of PMAP data?
Yeah, I do. Data size.
Okay, yeah, the thing is that you can't just go and cast random ass bullshit mem copy stuff into like what you're trying to do now is copy a pointer to another pointer. You're not copying the data.
Bruh.
So what you gotta do is pointer cast pmap data into a unbounded array of U8s, I would presume.
Mm-hmm.
And then you slice that with data length, and then you do the same thing with data, and then you slice that also. You can just send me these like 5 lines of code, and I can do it for you, and I'll just send them back to you.
Sounds good.
Sounds intern.
Intern.
Yeah, basically an intern.
Except for this one's free.
Yep.
In the meantime, I will just take this off and continue working on the next problem, because that one it hallucinates works, so that's great.
JetBrains' new update that they had for their ID, it's like it's way noticeably faster. I don't know what they did, but they either optimized or cut a bunch of stuff out. They did something, but it runs way smoother.
Great.
Grape.
Yep. It's time you switch over from VS Code. Come on, boys.
Nah.
Don't understand why that keeps being an issue. At least you wrote the same thing back in. Image. Expected Vulkan buffer found type. Okay, it's just missing a try. Oh no, now we're back at these. Damn it. I was hoping.
Okay, because I'm gonna send you
Uh-oh.
something.
Send me something.
It better be
remember
grape
that.
soda.
Oh, what the fuck happened? And then I just not use this. Oh my god. That's such a...
Error.
Such a nice long line. Yeah, you can add a comma.
Yeah. Point to discard const qualifier.
Yeah, I thought this might happen. Okay. The solution is just to remove the ampersand from data. Right, and then we also, whenever we pass in data, we got to
Slice it.
no, we don't. It's just that when you pass in data, like the color, for example, go to where you like calling upload the data to image. Wait, no, there's another way of doing this. Wait.
Oh, there's the RGB AF32 it's complaining about.
Yeah, because it's I mean, I shouldn't... Wait, I should actually be passing in... Wait. Oh, is it by default?
Yeah, you just put the color. No.
But I should be passing
Yeah,
in...
and you gotta make. You also gotta make const white into a variable because you're referencing it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Bar. Ah.
And yeah.
That was it. That was
Yeah,
it.
that should be it. Technically, you can do and probably what you want to do is std mem as bytes.
Ooh, I don't know, Lucas. What do you think about that?
You mean just replacing this whole thing with std mem as bytes, or?
Yeah. And then you just.
It's a little too low level, isn't it? Don't you think?
You can go
no.
lower.
Damn, lower than bytes?
Yeah, bits
Wait,
Oh no!
as
bytes.
I don't know. There's no such thing as bytes.
There is. I have it in front of my eyes right now.
What the? std
Oh,
dot
he's not in
mem
Zig
dot.
2.17 yet.
It's just because your LSP is so scuffed. As bytes.
Is it lowercase as bytes?
It's the normal SIG naming convention.
Okay,
Yeah.
case?
Just data in there?
It's sorta. Yeah.
And then I just do the same slicing there as this.
Yeah, the same
Expected
slicing.
comma after argument.
Yeah, you can comment out that. Okay, for once, when there might be something that might be useful, you
Because I
remove
don't
it.
have STD.
But you like to.
Dude, why don't you have STD? That's the standard library.
Yeah, bro.
That's why it wasn't finding. I was like, why is it not finding it? My god, I hate color keyboards.
Damn. How do you make anything without the standard library? Like, that's a real question.
You don't.
Yeah.
See?
Like in C, C++, you see STD everywhere. I just think it's like the
I don't
sexual
know,
disease
man.
they're talking about.
I never use STD.
Guess
There's
who's
no STD in
back?
C.
Yo.
He's cooking. It's the chef. He's cooking.
Yes.
Except for
Alright, I'm gonna
printing.
go get that. Oh
Alright.
man, he's burned through all the intern tokens. Man, they're all gone.
They're all gone.
He loves intern.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
He had like 7 interns all working at once, doing all 7 different projects.
Wait, who?
T-Chef.
Oh, T-Chef, you crazy man.
Yeah, I used it yesterday because I had a visitor and I showed him it.
Oh!
Yeah.
Nah, that's crazy, bro.
And then
I'll be
that
like,
person was like, "Yeah, okay, can you make like anime waifu simulator?" And you were like, "Yeah."
I
T-Chef.
made him.
How do you say technology in German?
Technologie.
Oh,
Hmm.
it's same.
Why?
I got everyone here to say technology in their language.
Yeah.
Don't feel like you're special. You're the third. You're the last in the crew.
You're the third.
Mr. Mango, I have to make my own standard library get good. Yes, that's true. Same. Vulkan buffer sig root source file. Vulkan has no member name. I do. I don't know. This is so
No,
weird.
you don't. It's called VMA.allocator.
No.
Bro, I'm not even the one who writes this, and I know what's going on.
Right, that's true. I
Alright,
changed.
I'm gonna go get that China food. Are you hanging around
Yeah.
still,
Okay.
Harold? Or it's Saturday, Sunday, isn't it?
Yeah, it's Sunday, so I'll probably be going in a
Member
minute.
function expect 3 found 1 image.
Alright, well then I'm out of here. Peace.
Bye bye.
Yes, please.
Right, I still have to do these damn image barrier transitions. Frick pants.
Vulkan
Yeah,
is
yeah.
so damn overly complicated, bro. Like, just let me upload raw data to the GPU, bro.
That's how we like it.
Yeah, but it's gotta be the right format.
Bro, it does not need to be this complicated.
That's how
It's
everything
it's
works.
actually better now because, like, if you
Really?
do a render pass, it automatically like transitions your image. But if you do like dynamic rendering, like we are doing, then we need to transition the images. Yeah.
Yeah, but
Mm,
this is actually
yeah, I mean,
just for uploading images. This is like not even rendering.
Yeah, because
you know, it would just be so nice if you could, like, you know, when you create a window, it would just give you like a pointer on the GPU, you know, and then you would just like send a bunch of data through a shader, and then that would like come out at an address, and then you could give the window that address to draw at, you know. That would be crazy.
Yeah, let's just make our own GPU driver.
Yeah.
But you know you have to make it specific for every single manufacturer of GPUs.
Yeah.
No, we make our own GPU also.
Oh, now
Yeah.
we're talking. Damn, bro, that's crazy. I'm just saying, crazy. Okay, I need to figure out the access flags and stage flags. Let's see, stage flags. Fuck's sake, come on. I just need to find. I don't know what access flags or stage flags I'm trying to use.
The access and stage flags.
Thanks. Here. So what do we have? Bro, where are all the flags at? Where did they go?
Hmm.
Where did all the flags
There's
go?
this one.
Oh, there we have them. Uh, is there anything that has to do with uploading textures? Transfer bit, I
Yeah,
guess
yeah,
it's-
the texture uploading.
Bruh. I'm not really sure, but the layers will complain if I do something completely horrendous, you know? It's a classic one. And then we'll
Yeah,
have to...
always the layers.
Yeah, it's the damn layers. And then we also have to do the access flags. And for this we just need... We need... Oh yeah, I think we need something like host, read, and write. What do we... We actually need just write. We don't need to... No, we need the device.
Oh, guys, imagine this. Imagine you could connect to the GPU through a socket. That would be crazy.
Damn. You know what would be crazy
We
when you
need
could
host.
have a network thing through a socket to the GPU. Damn.
Oh, yes, exactly.
We need to
Oh,
read
and
the
we already got
host.
better shit than web GPU, you know.
We need to read the host memory. That's kind of the point of this whole thing. But we're also going to need to upload. I'm just guessing right now, kind of like. We're gonna have to write
Always
to
good
memory.
with Vulkan to guess.
Yes. Like so. Created type buffer. My Vulkan barrier found Vulkan barrier. What? Sorry, what? What are you yapping about? Expected Vulkan barrier found const. Oh, it's a const. He doesn't like it.
You're a const.
Thank you. I was born.
That wasn't a compliment.
Ah,
Someone who is constant is someone who does not improve nor mutate in their mind, which means that you're stupid.
actually now the transition
Yeah.
is done. I don't think we need access to anything. So can I just I was thinking, can I just pass 0? But I don't know if there's access none. I don't need any access yet, so I could just do 0, 0, I guess, for both of these. I think it will be valid. I don't need any more. I just need to end it. Try. Yeah, that should be good. Try. Let's see. Then we're back at this. I thought I fixed. No, I didn't fix those. Nyeh. We're just gonna do this. And then we need to add a try in this place. It's not gonna have the same issues. And is this also a try? Do I actually need a try? Yeah, I do need a try.
Mr. Manga, what is this? Bro, we were just having a conversation about, like, wait, I can just read it because it's so funny. Okay, basically I was talking about that he had to make his own, that he needs to make his own graphics library because he's making an OS. And then I said, use Wayland and come back. And then it says, use VBE and come back. It's like a display standard. And I was like, install an NVIDIA driver on Debian and then come back. And he just says, 2 steps ahead. And then I say, try getting a life, then come back. And then, you know, that was kind of unrealistic, you know, that wasn't really fair of me. Yeah, and then Mr. Mago said, what is that Sigger yapping about, referring to you? But I corrected him saying, He's not a real Sigger, he's just a junior Sigger engineer. Mr. Mago says, Lil Sigga, And then it says Master Debater. And then he just says notascam.org. Just in the middle of this conversation. By stream monetization. Yeah, true. Yeah, Lucas doesn't need any of that money anyways. It can go to charity or
Bro,
something.
Lucas would be rich now. What are you guys doing?
Yeah, we're saying Sigger and Master Debater too much.
Wait. Why is... What? Expected as found RBG color magenta. Bruh. Okay. Do they have the same... Do they take the first index or what do they do? Hold on. No, they just take this, they just have pixels. And then just say that pixel is equal to magenta, which is a vec4. What do I actually want to do here then? Because I still have to go through every single one of these. But why can I... Why? How is it possible? I don't even understand how this would work in C++. Because they have a...
With ++.
They have this. Uniform 4x8.
Wait, Lucas, hear me out. Think about this. Sig is so not C++, it doesn't even have the ++ operator.
Yeah,
I
that's
just
actually
realized that
insane.
I'm not that
Yep.
smart.
Oh, you just realized? Yeah, well, that proves your point.
Because I'm actually supposed to store these colors as U32 and I have been
Yes, sir.
storing them as the actual vector.
Oh, yeah, well, thankfully my math library has a 2U32 functions on all colors. Wow, that was a coincidence.
Oh, bro, that's crazy.
Yeah, what a coincidence. What did Mr. Mago send? Mayo LeBron. What is this? Nah, bro. Mr. Mago is too based. He got some good taste. Mayo LeBron.
To U32, bro. That's crazy. So I just have to change all of them to be like that, and I think we'll just be fine. Nah, that's actually a crazy feature you have implemented. Holy shit.
I know. Because I actually needed U32 in OpenGL also, so...
Okay, nice. So what does it like? Do you just bit shift or... Yeah, you do that.
Well, since my color
Shit,
library has a
that
a casting between different color types, so, like you can cast a color with U32s into like a one with a U8, you know. I used to do that and then I merged it into shit, yeah.
Expected type F32 found U32. Do I want it to be... Pixels should be a U32, apparently. Now we'll change to U32. Oh, biggie. Wow. And now we still need that one. I'm gonna try here. Alright, great. Is that a try? No, there's a value ignored. We'll just ignore that value.
Good call, good call.
Good call, good call. Const.
Guys, can you look at my stream? I want to show something.
Okay, wait, let me predict. It's probably not the Wayland client because I just think it's
Nah.
the Wayland client this time. Okay, I don't know what it is.
It's not
Oh,
window.
OpenGL, I see. Window library.
No,
Window library.
Bros is guessing what this is. Yeah, no. Lucas, are you
Swap
watching?
buffers. Window library. I see native Win32.
Wait, I need to.
Yeah, there's a lot of natives.
What is this? Missing structure field bindings. Oh yeah, we don't. But I don't wanna. I wanna. These things I wouldn't wanna deal with. Uh-huh. Okay, now I can take a look. Let me just switch the music real quick. Wait, where are you? There. What? Shit. There. Can I put you on the big screen?
Yeah, sure.
Nice, 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 nice. Was that your selfie camera right there? I swear I saw it.
No, no. No. Wait, I'll just minimize this so I can see clearly. So, this is
that
my
you?
window here.
Is that you,
What
Harold,
is
in
it?
the background?
No, what? No.
LeBron James.
What's happening?
It's my sorry. It's my favorite basketball player.
LeBron.
Oh.
That's great. Alright, okay, I see. Social credit minus 10
Yeah.
social credits. Wait, was that what you wanted to show? What the fuck?
Yeah,
That's what I
bro.
wanted to show.
I was expecting something more.
Too bad.
Right, these things are not called the script.
Oh no, Mr. Mago is streaming.
Oh no, we're cooked, chat.
Yeah, we're cooked.
Yo, VS Code, what I'm seeing. Assembly, entry. Okay, let
Face
me.
photo or something. You know.
That's the entry point to the kernel, I see. Okay.
Bro,
emulation.
what are these
That's
guesses?
no, right, these are not called descriptors anymore.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm not seeing a renderer here. 1 pixel.
Yeah.
Oh, best wait.
Mr. Mago, I know something you can add for your OS. So you know the Windows XP when it like shows the logo when you're starting up. You could do that, but it's a little symbol from T-Chef's homeland.
Hey, yo.
Yo.
I mean, you say that would be kind of funny. You know, you
Source
boot up
credit.
your OS and that's the first thing you see.
Compute descriptor layout, right, I have to change it. In all.
Hmm.
Wah.
Yeah, anyways, I'll go now because I have shit to do. But see you later,
Alright.
educators.
See ya, bye
Yeah,
bye.
see ya.
See ya.
Root source file structure Vulkan has no member in it. Right, that's true. Wait, this is the config. Why didn't... what the fuck? Why... No one to chat with now. Ah, no. Mr. Harold is gone. Found 2 argument. Expected 3 is it allocator. I still need to pass in here. I need to pass the device, the config, and the shader stage flags. Right, we changed it. We changed it a little bit. I don't even remember what shader. This one is just compute. Okay. So it's just.
Lucas, what are you up to right now?
I'm trying to still get the textures, but I'm changing around.
Yeah,
the whole
but like more technical, what are you up to? What you're uploading data to the shader, I saw, but
yeah. Wait, let me see. Shader. Is it called stage flags? Yeah, but how do I? Compute bit. Yeah, that one. I don't know if that's right or if it's wrong, but. And then expected type Vulkan descriptor config found. Okay, so now here I have to pass in the config. Yeah, because the config should contain. I don't know, bro. This. I don't know what change I have done, really, to be honest. It's fine. We will not care. We're cool. Okay, what's the next issue? Vulkan descriptors. Alright. So we have to do a field name binding instruct Vulkan descriptor layout. Well, that sucks. Where the fuck are the bindings coming from? Wait, no. Wait, what? What do? Ah, no. You should have access to add binding here. Bindings with an S. I was like, that should be right. Cannot assign to constant. What the fuck? What do you mean cannot assign to constant? Ah. We Gucci. Renderer. Add bindings. Let's see, what is the problem? Expected Vulkan descriptor config found constant descriptor layout config. Const. It's probably gonna complain somewhere else about the same issue, but we're gonna take care of these things before we fix anything else. Cannot assign to constant, and then it's descriptor. Might be how I pass them in, actually that's the issue, not how I handle it down here. Let's see, binding stage flags. Yep. Wait, no, this is from the config. And then, is it just this? Assign the constant. Hey, it's okay. We're gonna do this like this, right? I'm gonna go into here. Now we're gonna take it a slightly different approach, and we're gonna change it to okay. And then we're gonna do this. We're gonna take it like this, and that seems to be fine. We take it like that, then we do bindings. Sorry, bindings. No, wait. Yeah, so I get every one of these, and then here, yeah, that's okay, and then that's just an int cast. And then this has to be the handle. And let's see, we need to do a try, then we need to return an error. That we do. Good. Don't need to do that, we don't need to worry about that. No, I left them there because I know that I was supposed to worry about them, but I'm like, now, like, if I don't do them now, there's no point writing it like a comment, like so. Okay. Let's see. Expected type, Vulkan descriptor config const config. Okay, it's the same issue as we just had before. It's okay. We'll just change the thing. I just want to split them up slightly because this is getting hard to read. And then the same thing goes for these ones, most likely. Now we're working with the graphics. GPU scene data config. Okay, this one is a bit weird. But anyways, where's the... hold on. This is the computer.
Hey guys,
Where's the mesh? Oh,
I
it's
will go
happening.
now.
Alright, see ya, bye bye.
Yeah, see ya, good night, good luck with your project.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Config mesh, but this is the pipeline. Maybe I'm just stupid. Yeah, graphics. I'm stupid. That's the thing.
Hello.
Hello. Let's see. Root file structure Vulkan descriptor has no member named in it. Right, because we are supposed to use it without layout. And then init expected 3 arguments, that's correct. We're gonna take in the graphics config. Like so. And then we're also gonna pass in, now we're working with the graphics. So the shader stages will be the vk.c vk shaders stage graphics. No, wait, how the fuck does this? Isn't shader stage? Ah, bro, please. Capital letters. Shader stage. And then I want graphics. I'm pretty sure that's what I want here, but I can't seem to find it. I must be doing something completely wrong here. There's compute. Bit. No, wait, yeah, it's vertex bit. And then we also want to use the other one, which is fragment bit. Fragment bit, like so. And then in here, we want to do the expected Vulkan descriptor layout config. Wait, what? Ah, right. This one is using the same as the... Okay, and this one is just shader. Okay, I see. Why is this wrong? Expected found const. That's because this one is supposed to be that. These are all like the same thing still here. And then we need to pass the ampersand. And what do we have here? Config yeah. Draw image. Yeah, there is no such thing anymore as that. So wait, how did I fucking do this nowadays? This. Yeah, how do I get the layout for the config? Script set layout config. How do you get that we have up there? We need to take it from here. Compute. Is it just from this one? Let's see. What happens if I just do that? Dot. Descriptor set layout. Yeah, that's what I want to use. I think. I hope. And it's for both of them. Bam. Wait, do we need... Nah, that's good. And then draw image layout. Which one is this? This is config graphics. So now we want to change this a little bit because now we want to use the graphics one. Unless... No, this one we want to use the graphics one. So it's this one. And then the handle for it. Like so. And then we go down. This one is... Now it's the mesh. This is fine, but we just need to take the handle. This might have to get in use over here, that's why I'll leave it there for a while, but no field name maxed pipeline. I think, do we use it? If we use it, I'm gonna introduce it back in. To use it for the initialization. Okay. Okay, we'll take it back in. Use size, I think it's best for the iteration of things, but that should be fine.
I must go, so goodbye.
Alright, bye-bye. Descriptors. Do we use descriptor? Descriptor layout. Yeah, I have changed these names. They are not called the same thing anymore. That's right. That's why I'm confused. Let's see. We have a compute layout. They are basically what they're referring to here is that we have the compute descriptor layout, and then we have the graphics descriptor layout, and then those as well. So we're gonna take them in here. Could also be heading that bad, but bro, we're so close to actually having it compile at least. So graphics descriptor layout and compute descriptor layout. Probably missing a few other ones, but for now this will we'll go with this. We're not gonna be using that and this, but we are going to do compute descriptor layout is equal to compute descriptor config. Perfect. Layout. And then we have graphics descriptor layout is equal to graphics descriptor layout. So scene data. How do I go about scene data actually? Don't I just... Right, I initialize it in here, but I actually apply it. Scene data. What is scene data actually? I hate that. Self.scene data. Yeah, I just have it here, but where do we? It just exists, and it's this information. I never. I don't do. I just copy to allocation. Copy to allocation. Wait. GPU. Info self-scene data. Yeah, but where do we don't never tell what it's supposed to mean. Bruh. It's on the previous page. I don't remember actually. Do they initialize it anywhere with actual data? Like what it's supposed to be? Here we have something. Let's see. GPU scene data. Did allocate get mapped scene date. Never gets initialized with values. They use just some garbage value, bro. Well, that sounds okay. It's probably gonna crash, but if it doesn't, it's probably gonna crash because we're using uninitialized memory. But if it doesn't, I'm pretty excited to see how fucked it's actually gonna look. I'm not gonna initialize it with anything because I'm gonna see if my assumption, well, right, it's gonna be correct, right? We'll just go with it. I think that's fine. We're not gonna care. I think it would be funny. You can say that scene data, actually, what we could do. Oh, it's gonna be so boring if I do it, but sure, we could say undefined, but I can also just do an empty structure like this. Missing field view. Right, they don't have any default values. Is that maybe what they do here? I didn't check that actually. No, they don't initialize any default values. We could give it some default values, but there's another way we could also now for the moment just go std.mem as 0 and then we just pass in GPU scene data. Wait, this is, yeah. And then white image, yeah, this is gonna be just white image is equal to white. What did I call it even? Underscore, of course I call it that. Of course. Yeah, don't worry, it's not, this is just temporary. Trust me, bro. Black image underscore black image dot gray image is equal to gray image. And then error check check this, just arrow check as well, and default linear. Oh god. Default linear, and then oh shit. Nearest, default nearest. And there it goes. Wait, where the fuck did the thing go? Did I close the terminal by accident, bro? How can I be so stupid? Okay, we're gonna start over. Let's see. Next, we're gonna have to fix render scene. What? It says render sig 695. Ah, there it is. What's the issue here? Expected. Oh yeah, this is for the initialization of the. Those are the same things, but yeah, because I'm probably using from different places these things. That's probably the case. It's fine. It's the same thing, but it's okay. We just do this. It's literally the same thing, but whatever. Buffer. What? Am I reading this right? Buffer.sig, line 6. Parameter type declared here. Size. The following command failed with one. What? I'm not reading this right. Oh, okay. Mesh. No, have all of them gotten that issue now? Wait, what the fuck? How is that? Is it just because I... Oh. That's why. Okay. I mean... I have to do a pointer cast if I'm gonna do this for all of them, because they are all expect... Or... I go in here and I just change this to be a... No, wait, that should actually be the same thing. Hold on, wait. Now I'm really confused because both of them are using the VMA allocation. What is this allocation? It's the allocator. Oh, no. Wait, hold on a minute. Yeah, I'm passing in the expected a allocator. I'm passing in the allocation. Oh, shit. I'm actually supposed to take in an allocator. No. That's actually shit. Why am I doing this? Allocate for... Bro, well then we don't have to do a PTR cast. It's like, that's so weird. Why would I suddenly get this issue? Let's see, what's the next issue? Vulkan, radius line, structure, descriptors. Array list aligned, null is not indexable and not ranged. Self, right. And then here, this has to be the handle. And let's see, it's expected void found. Do I need a check for this actually? I'm just hallucinating. Okay, now. Value C ignored. Well, it's actually returning this thing. It's returning a... It is returning a result. I do need a check. But wait, it's so weird because... Why is it then found? Right, that's not the issue. The issue is this. Alright, then the same issue just here that I need to go through the items. And then give it the handle. And this needs to dry. And another problem is... what could it be? Expected array list aligned, found const. Alright, but now that expected type found pointer. Oh yeah, because I dereferenced once. Okay, I think it's cleaner if I just do this. Is that still wrong? Expected type array list. Still thinking about it like that. Okay, okay, that was not the issue. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Self. All right. I'm gonna have the same issues over here, 110%, so I might as well just fix them already. And then we're gonna do the same that we do here. We're gonna take... wait, hold on. That's gonna end up badly. Okay, we're just gonna do that items, like so, and items, like so, and I think that was... oh yeah, and then device needs to be hacked up, and like so. And then, let's see. Swap chain dinit. It's not a member function. Frame should have a dinit. Yeah, because this is a new thing actually. No, wait. Yeah, I don't have a dinit. That's interesting because I definitely need to. Wait, sorry. Capabilities. Wrong place. Also, this thing. It needs a dinit. Or yeah, I think it's cleaner to call dinit on this thing rather than going this one will take care of the public function init what init and self at this. And what do we actually need? We just need to call. We don't need a error. All we need to do is... hold on, what am I trying to do here now? Wait, I do have it in it. I'm getting this tired. Hold on. We have a D in it right there for the frame data. Why is it then complaining that there isn't a... have I done a typo? There is definitely a D in it. I don't know why it doesn't... is it public? It is public. That definitely exists. I don't know. No field or member function named D in it in the frame data. There is definitely... no, it doesn't actually find it. Hold on, that's weird. Public frame data. How does it not recognize it? That's so strange. I cannot understand why I would not find it. No field or member function D in it, it's right there. Unless if it misunderstands. Self.frames. Ah. No, the frames. What are the frames stored as? No, they are right there. What? That's so bro, I cannot understand why would that not find it. Okay, let's just give it. I have no idea. Scholar issue clear for descriptor frame that being accessed constant. No. Oh my god. It's dnit I want to know. Fix change dnit signature takes self by mutable pointer. Yes. Method call syntax issue. The error shows that it's calling dnit, but dnit is not a member function. It's taken self as a regular, not as a. Change the call. Dnit. Okay, that's true. I should actually be, but it should understand to do that. Typo in field. Descriptor type instead of. Okay, that's my typo. That shouldn't have an impact. Anyways, we should be able to just do. The problem is not that. I agree with that though. There should definitely be a pointer, but. Does not recognize the unit in the namespace. Why? No, you're asking why Sig doesn't recognize dnit function in the member frame data. So the problem is how you're declaring dnit in Sig for function you called member function use. In the first parameter must be named self, but I tried moving that around. It didn't really help. And it shouldn't at least still find a function. Like that shouldn't be an issue. Okay, there's another thing we could do, which oof. Or what if I just that should definitely be there. It doesn't even find the init, which is I don't know, that's so strange. It should. I think it doesn't understand what frame that data is, to be honest. That's so weird. I cannot understand. Why can I not just find it? Self dot frames 0 dot. It doesn't find them. I don't understand. Like it does find them here for the initialization, which is even stranger if you ask me. Like frames dot 0 dot. Wait, how does this even work then? Oh wait, here. Okay, look here. Here, do like that. Let's see. Let's try that. Self dot frames. Let's access 0, and then we'll take. How the fuck do I go about that? Because the init works fine, but when I write init, I don't find any functions. Bro, is it? No, still nothing. I don't know. I see the issue now. You're saying that allocate init works fine, but with the sure. No, that's not what I'm saying. Which order? Okay. I'm gonna try this now. So I'm gonna open up CD projects. The lecture part. I don't know why I'm on the server branch still, but it doesn't really matter. So now we can do this very cursed thing of, let's not try to run this all the time, and let's just we're gonna enter this shit. God. Do you trust this? Yes. Ah. Sudo. Like, it's something super stupid that I have done somewhere. I cannot understand, like, how the DNS should be accessible. Definitely 100%. Okay. Let's see. Yes, and hey, help fix. Code the unit from what my brain data. I just think that's enough. At swap chain. Do we have to wait? Let's see. I hope that's enough information. What does it want to do? We want to change line 52 instead of 54. Instead of doing this, it's going to change it to doing. Okay. Wrong field, bro. Oh yeah, the allocator is not being passed even here, but I don't know why it's doing frame.frame. Well, I left it there, but you should be updating it to not do that. Wait, why is it working in the... No! Okay, I've been happy. No. Okay, but Jesus Christ, this stash. I don't want you to touch anything else. I want you just to work with that. The only thing I want to be fixed is that damn D in it, nothing else. Oh my god. Forgot that he can do a new line. Right, that's not how you do it, that's how you do it. I cannot understand why the init is not there. Init exists, but not the D init. I don't care about the allocator. Allocator makes sense that it's not there, but that it doesn't find the D init that's something completely different. I cannot understand that. And it works here. So strange. So damn strange. Okay, that you can do. Now you're trying to modify the renderer. Oh my god. No, you're not supposed to. Don't change that side. Delete it. Oh, wait. Doesn't seem to be a problem anywhere else now. Okay, but that's so strange because it still doesn't find that. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna manually from here if that's was actual. That it just gave a wrong error because of that. Okay, let's see. Take build run dash launch. Actually, should probably go to sleep. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna continue tomorrow. I just think that's. I love this, but I'm just gonna stay here for so long to just figure out this stuff. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna end it here. Good night, everybody, and we'll continue tomorrow. We're getting closer to getting the textures and having some weird stuff going on still over here, but we'll still get rid of quite a lot of these things. The pipelines I might actually keep put in here in a permanent storage because they're quite handy. Meshes should probably be handled somewhere else, but we'll see how things go. These are kind of like assets, but we'll see. It will make sense. All right, everybody, good night, and tomorrow I'm getting a strong feeling that we'll actually have the textures in here. Bye.